You'll want to grill chicken every night after this. Seriously. Because once you taste this juicy garlic herb grilled chicken thighs with smoky paprika cream sauce, you'll never look at weeknight dinners the same way again. It's quick, it's flavorful, it's beginner-friendly, and the entire meal comes together in under 25 minutes. We're talking golden grilled chicken with crispy edges, a creamy smoky sauce to drizzle over, buttery roasted baby potatoes, and a tropical fruit juice that tastes like summer in a glass. Subscribe and share before you forget. This one's a keeper. Let's start by rinsing and patting dry 6 raw chicken thighs. Lay them flat on a wooden board and trim off any excess fat. You want them as even as possible in thickness, so they cook evenly on the grill. Now for the marinade. This is where all the flavor starts. In a bowl, whisk together half a cup of plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, the juice of 1 lemon, 5 minced garlic cloves, a teaspoon of honey, chopped fresh rosemary, thyme, smoked paprika, sea salt, and a touch of black pepper. The aroma is already calling. Pour this over the chicken and rub it in thoroughly. Let it rest for at least 15 minutes, or longer if you have time. While that's marinating, let's get our side dish in motion. Wash 1 pound of baby potatoes in halves. Toss them in olive oil, paprika, garlic powder, dried parsley, and a pinch of salt. Spread them out on a baking tray lined with parchment and roast at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, flipping once. They'll come out golden and crispy, fluffy on the inside. The perfect comfort side. Now to the grill. Heat it to medium-high and oil the grates lightly. Place your marinated chicken thighs directly on the grill and listen for that perfect sizzle. Grill for 6 to 7 minutes per side, turning once, until they're golden with those iconic char marks and cooked through. Juicy, smoky, tender, that's what we're aiming for. If you're using a thermometer, 165 degrees Fahrenheit is your sweet spot. While that chicken rests and the potatoes finish roasting, we're whipping up the sauce. In a small bowl, combine 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a pinch of garlic powder, and a dash of chili flakes if you like a little heat. It's thick, creamy, tangy, and has just enough smokiness to bring everything together. This sauce is spoon-licking good. And now, the drink that ties it all together. In a blender, add 1 cup of ripe pineapple chunks, half a mango, diced, half an orange, peeled, a small squeeze of lemon juice, a few ice cubes, and half a cup of chilled water. Blend until smooth and golden. You can strain it if you prefer a silkier texture. What you get is a vibrant fruit juice. Naturally sweet, slightly tangy, and rich in tropical flavor. Serve in a tall glass with a slice of orange or mango on the rim. It's refreshment at its finest. Time to plate. Lay 2 grilled chicken thighs on a warm white plate. Drizzle the smoky paprika sauce over, or serve it on the side for dipping. Add a generous spoonful of the crispy roasted baby potatoes. Garnish with fresh herbs and a lemon wedge. Then, place your tall glass of homemade pineapple mango juice right next to it. The chicken is smoky and juicy, infused with herbs and garlic. The potatoes add warmth and crunch. That creamy sauce brings bold flavor with every bite. And the fruit juice. It's cool, sweet, and makes the whole meal feel light and satisfying. And there you have it. A grilled chicken dinner that feels gourmet, made effortlessly on a weeknight. If this made your mouth water, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs dinner inspiration. Comment below. What would you grill next? I might just turn it into the next quick weeknight meal, and thanks for watching. See you in the next fun food story.